the difference between using synthetic hair, which is plastic, so this will not mature as your own hair. When you use human hair dreadlocks, they will mature just the same way as your own, so it will be a part of your own hair. The good thing about the human hair is that they mature really nice and they will last forever as long as your own dreadlocks. They are a bit more pricey, but you'll also get a really good quality and dreadlocks that will last forever. You will not have to change them after a year or something that you might have to do with synthetic hair. Your dreadlocks, they also get wear and tear. You know, when you everyday life, when you wash and wear a hairband or something. So the synthetic hair, you can't nourish them like your normal hair, so they will get damaged over the time. With these dreadlock extension of human hair, you will take care of them as your own dreadlocks, so you can use oils and all kinds of dreadlock products. I also have extensions from our shop in, and I've been in for 2 years now. When you get them, they are a bit stiff because they are new made, and it's the same with the real hair. When you get dreadlocks, they are a bit stiff in the start, but when you start washing and nourish them, and after a while they will get soft as your own hair. It feels like my own hair. So, and when people are it's not like the stiff ones anymore, no. And they are maturing like my own hair, and I can't feel difference between the real hair and the extensions. So so I'm pleased with mine. So you could treat it like your own hair. That's the advantage about real hair extensions. We always recommend for lengthening, putting extra length in dreadlocks. When you're making dreadlocks anyway, we'll always recommend to use human hair dreadlocks because it will be a much better result and last a lot longer.